Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Amazon unboxing on fitness stuff that I bought. I started doing like hip thrusts and stuff at the gym, so I needed that like band thing. I'll show you guys. And I also wanted resistance bands. This came in today. I literally ordered it yesterday night. So what the hell? Like literally, it was free too. The shipping was free. So that's that. I'm not gonna show my face because I'm literally like a ratchet right now. Oh shit! I almost cut up something. Ow! 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 Okay, what it is? Oh, they gave me that. Like that bubbly wrap. Like, they don't use bubble wrap anymore. They use sealed air. What's that? I am so excited. Ah! So this is what it is. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a barbell squat pad. And yeah, when I put like the metal bar on my back, it hurts. So, and also when I do hip thrusts, just to protect my hip area, I need to use this. And I'm gonna unbox this. Oh my god, I got it in the pink color. I'm so excited. So you guys understand, I have been using mats, like the gym mats, to use as a protector. Guys, this is so cute. I don't even know how to explain. Oh my god. Okay, this is just like wow. So this is what you basically put in the bar. It smells really nasty, but yeah. And it came with this. I don't know what this is. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, if you guys are wondering, power guidance. I'll leave the links down below. It's really good to reduce injuries and stuff. And then I got peach bands. So these are basically resistance bands. I wanted resistance bands for so long just because, like, on the weekends, like, usually on weekdays I'll go to the gym, but on the weekends I can't always go, like, Saturdays and Sundays. Like, I'm just too lazy. So then I feel like I can get home workouts done with this, which are peach bands. So this is basically a company on Instagram. I'll link them. And they sell this stuff on Amazon. And this is like the cutest mother yucking thing I've ever seen. So this is the pouch, like what? And it comes with 4 bands. So this is the extra heavy, which is just the red color, I think. Yeah, it is. What do I mean? I think it is red. Then I got this bubbly pink heavy. So this is heavy. And then this is the medium, which is another pinkish shade. And then a peachy shade, which is light. And these are so good for like days. Because you can use them on your arm days, your leg days. Honestly, abs. You can use them for so many things. So I'm really excited. If you guys want to see a review on the peach bands, I'll definitely do them. And this is like honestly the cutest packaging. Like, and both of these things came out with the tax and everything. It's like $50. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Like for more unboxings.